Good morning to all. Today I am going to explain a pair of linear equation by cross multiplication method. By doing this method, we can use two ways. First one, we can use the formula directly. Then second way is use by crossing. The general form of the pair of linear equation is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals 0. a1 is the coefficient of x and the coefficient of y is b1 and constant c1 in the first equation. In second equation, the coefficient of x is 2, a2, the coefficient of y is b2 and the constant is c2. The first way is using the formula directly. So, the value of x equal b1 c2 minus b2 c1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1, and the y value is c1 a2 minus c2 a1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. The next way is by crossing. First of all, write the coefficient of the first equations in this way, a1, b1, c1, and write one more, a1, b1, c1. And just below this coefficient, write the coefficients of equation 2, a2, b2, c2, again a2, b2, c2. Then strike either end of these coefficients. After striking these two ends, write here x, here y and here 1. Then crossing like this. First of all, multiply b1 into c2, then b2 c1, c1 a2, again c2 a1, a1 b2 and a2 b1. Then write x by b1 c2 minus b2 c1 equal y by c1 a2 minus c2 a1 equal 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. The next step is equating the first and last. You get this equation, and by equating this first and last, we get the value of x, and equating second and third or second and last, get the value of y. This is the crossing method. By simplification, you get this answer. For example, the first one, solve the following pair of linear equations by the cross multiplication method. Here two questions are there. First one is 8x plus 5y equal 9, 3x plus 2y equal 4. Then second question, 7x plus 11y minus 3 equals 0, 8x plus y minus 15 equals 0. We can solve the first one. The first equation, 8x plus 5y equal 9 is not in the standard form, and this is also not in the standard form. So, rearrange this equation in standard form. 8x plus 5y minus 9 equals 0. This is the first equation. 3x plus 2y minus 4 equals 0. Second equation. By using crossing method or cross multiplication method, write the coefficients of first equation 2 times. 8, 5, minus 9, 8, 5, minus 9. Just below this, write the coefficient of second. 3, 2, minus 4, 3, 2, minus 4, and strike either end of the coefficient. Again, between this, x, y, 1. Then crossing. First we do this direction and second this one. Again, first in this direction minus second. Again, first in this direction and second. Then write x by 5 into minus 4 minus 20 minus 2 into minus 9 minus 18 equal y by minus 9 into 3 minus 27 minus 4 into 8 minus 32 equal 1 by 8 into 2 16 minus 3 into 5 15. The next step is equating the first and the last term, or x and the constant one. X by, this is minus 20 plus 18 equal 1 by 1. That is x by minus 2 equal 1. X equal minus 2. And by getting this, y by 27 plus 32 equal 1 by 1. Minus 27 plus 32. Y by 5 equal 1. Y equal 5. Therefore, solution is x equal minus 2 and y equal 5. For verification, you can use this x value and y value. Put in any one of this equation. If you get the right hand side, the answer is correct. The second question is 7x plus 11y minus 3 equals 0. 8x plus y minus 15 equals 0. This is the first equation and it is the second equation. These equations are in standard form. So, first of all, write the coefficient of first equation in 2 times. 7, 11, minus 3, 7, 11, minus 3. Again, the second equation, 8, 1, minus 15, 8, 1, minus 15. Then strike either end of the coefficients and write here x and y, here write 1. Then crossing, first of all, the first step is this way and this is the second. Again, this is the first term and this is the second. Again, this is the first term and this is the second. Then write x by 11 into minus 15 minus 165 minus 1 into minus 3 equal 5 by 3 into 8 minus 3 into 8 minus 24 minus 15 into 7 minus 105 equal 1 by 7 minus 88. Then again x by minus 165 plus 3, that is minus 162 equal y by minus 24 plus 105 equal 1 by minus 81. By equating the first and last, x by minus 162 equal 1 by minus 81. Then transpose this minus 62 on the right hand side. X equal minus 162 by minus 81 equal 2. Then equating second and last, y equal this one is minus 24 plus 105. Y by 81 equal 1 by minus 81. Y equal 81 by minus 81 equal minus 1. Therefore, the solution is x equal 2 and y equal minus 1. Is it clear? Let us solve one more question, that is one of the statement problem. This is one of the textual question in your textbook. A fraction becomes 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted from the numerator, and it becomes 1 by 4 when 8 is added to its denominator. Find the fraction. I will read once more. A fraction becomes 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted from the numerator, and it becomes 1 by 4 when 8 is added to its denominator. Find the fraction. First of all, we construct a pair of linear equations. So, we can write the fraction becomes x by y. Let the fraction be x upon y. The case 1, what is the case 1? A fraction becomes 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted the numerator. Here the fraction is x by y. 1 is subtracted to the numerator x minus y. The fraction become 1 by 3. By crossing this, 3 into x minus 1 equal y and 3x minus 3 equal y. 3x minus y minus 3 equals 0. This is our first equation. Then case 2. What is the case 2? It becomes 1 by 4 when 8 is added to its denominator. Here the fraction is x by y. When 8 is added to its denominator, it becomes 1 by 4. By crossing this, 4x equal y plus 8, 4x minus y minus 8 equals 0. This is our second equation. Then we can solve this equation by cross multiplication method. First of all, write the coefficients. 3 minus 1 minus 3, again 3 minus 1 minus 3. Here 4, coefficient of y minus 1. Minus 1, this is minus 8. Again 4 minus 1 minus 8. Then strike either end. The write x, y and 1. Then this is the first step and it is the second. Again, by crossing this, x by minus 1 into minus 8. 8 minus 1 into minus 3, 3 equal y by minus 3 into 4 minus 12 minus 8 into 3 minus 24 again minus plus 24 equal 1 by minus 3 4 into minus 1 minus 4 again minus plus 4. Then by equating first and last, x by 5 equal y by 12 equal 1 by 1. Equating first and last, x by 5 equal 1 implies x equal 5. And y by 12 equal 1 implies y equal 12. So what's the fraction? Our question is find the fraction. Our fraction is x by y equal 5 by 12. This is the required equation solution.